These are the trillions of particles that rain down that you can see at night when the chemtrails are in the sky. Now what you're seeing is only light. In real time there are trillions of these golden brown, like very small particles that look reflective, that are raining down. They look like they're going in from left to right horizontally, but these things are coming from every angle. Okay? You need a bright light. It is a terrible, terrible hurricane, or it actually looks like a blizzard when you shine a white light. These are from the chemtrails they're spraying. They're spraying something up in the sky that I think one of the reasons is because they want to use the sky as a screen with Project BLUEBEAM. So that they can project alien ships or whatever they want. I mean, this is terrible. And it goes everywhere. It lands all over stuff. Now, I don't know what this stuff really is, or what it does to you when you breathe it in, but it is horrible. You could never realize just how much of this is raining down. You know, if you can go out and look up at your sky and see just all white haze, go with a nice flashlight and shine the flashlight and look in the light, and you'll see trillions of these particles raining down. Oh my God, it is horrible. It is terrible. They're from the chemtrails. This is the stuff Bill Gates talks about, to do solar shield, to reflect sunlight back towards the sun because of their global warming hoax. Now they call it climate change because global warming it no longer serves the purpose because the earth is not warming. That's terrible. You can literally write your name on the windshield of your car. And how thick this stuff is. So I believe this is what they're using to black out the sky. These chemtrails spread into a blanket of white haze, and they can use this with Project BLUEBEAM. They use the sky as a screen. And all this stuff in it, whatever this is, you can project holograms on it. It's terrible. It goes everywhere. It's coming down like a blizzard. Let's see if I can get it like this. Come on. Try to catch it coming down. Shit is nasty. But you gotta breathe. I mean, you couldn't see this if you didn't have the flashlight. Trillions and trillions of these particles raining down from the chemtrails. It's just terrible. Well, that's my opinion. I know chemtrails are real. I watch these contrails sprayed in the sky. The ones that are normal water vapor dissipate very quickly, sometimes taking up to 3 minutes to dissipate. But these chemical contrails never dissipate. They spread out into a blanket of white fog or haze. Then you can go out at night and do your flashlight and see trillions of these things coming down, particles. And no one's going to tell me this is the way it's supposed to be outside, because I used to camp and I used to watch stars all the time 4 or 5 years ago, and I ain't never seen this type of stuff coming down. You know, I would be dazzled by the colorful stars in the night sky at my parents' house, and now you can hardly see the stars coming through all of this shit that's raining down on us that they're spraying. You know, what can one person do? Nothing. But I'm doing something. I'm showing you. Imagine what a bunch of people could do. This is horrible. And sooner or later, they're going to start beaming spaceships in the sky, or God knows what. God knows what they'll try to fake. That's terrible. Now go out with your flashlight and do the same thing, and you will see this stuff, especially if you see the haze. The chemical contrails not dissipating and spreading out into what looks like a sky of fog. Not one cloud anywhere, just all whited out, the sky. We do not have nighttime skies that are black. They're white. And we have this stuff raining down on us 7 days a week. Blow them around a little, looks like a blizzard. And what you see on the screen isn't even 5%. I mean, every square millimeter of the air and sky is covered with these things. And they're super duper. When I smear my finger on the windshield of the car or the table, what comes is a super duper fine dust that is really hard. It won't stick together to clump it up for collection. It's very hard to collect, and to even get like, I couldn't even get, it would take me all night or all morning scraping stuff to even get a half a gram of it. That's how fine it is. Well, that's all. This is what they're doing.